There is 2 months left before the end of this year. Now you can decide if you do nothing and promise yourself that you'll start next year, or if you act and start 2026 having changed in the last 2 months of this year. I'm Edgar. I lost 100 pounds in the year and now I'm trying to help others improve their health. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide that you can follow for the last 2 months of this year in order to completely transform your health. Let's get into it. First thing that I consider as the cornerstone of health is food. With food, you have two choices. Choice number one is you're overweight or obese. In this case, what you need to focus on is losing weight. So what you need to do is to calculate how many calories you need to eat in order to lose weight. I'll put you a link to a calculator in the description, and only eat this amount until the end of the year. Doesn't matter the quality of the food or anything else. Yes, it will be easier for you to eat like this if you're eating clean also, because you will be less hungry, higher energy and everything. But the most important thing, if you're really overweight or obese, is to lose weight first. So go check the link in the description, see how many calories do you need to eat, and stick to that until the end of the year. If you don't have any weight to lose, what's going to be important is the quality of the foods you eat. So there is two easy metrics to see if you're eating healthy or not, and it's whole foods and variety. So whole foods are very important because they are way more nutrient dense than processed foods, and variety allows you to get all the nutrients you need, because if you only eat the same things every day, even though it's healthy, the chances of you having deficiencies in some nutrients are really high. So aim for 80% of whole foods in your diet and to variate what you eat, meaning change up the vegetables you eat, the fruits you eat, the meat you eat. Just switch it around. Don't eat the same thing every day and you'll be good. Whole foods, variety. Second one is walking 10,000 steps a day. Walking is such an important exercise. I think I'm talking about it almost in all my videos now. It helps for everything. If you want to lose weight, you're in the first category. Walking is the best thing you can do. If you want to be healthier and live longer, walking is also the best thing you can do in terms of exercise. It's easy, it's convenient, you can do a lot of it, you don't need to recover a lot, you won't injure yourself, everybody can do it, it's low cost. Walking is the best, okay? So download a step tracker on your phone or just use the health app that's already on your phone and try to get 10,000 steps a day. If you're not there yet in the beginning, just try to add 1,000 steps to your daily average every day. So let's say you will start at 4,000, second week you'll go at 5, third week you'll go at 6,000 until you get to 10,000. Third one is sleep 8 hours a night. Why did I say 8 hours and not 7 to 8 or 7 to 9? Because when you go to sleep and you're in bed, let's say you're in bed from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., you think, oh, I slept 8 hours. You're wrong, because all the time you spend in bed doesn't mean sleeping. A lot of people wake up during the night and don't have a super high quality of sleep. So for 8 hours in bed, most people will sleep around 7 hours 30 or less. So the goal here is to be 8 hours in bed. And sleep is so important for health. It supports every system in your body, how you think, the decisions you take, healing, building muscles, anything that happens in your body and that you do is impacted by sleep. Sleep is super important. It's not a waste of time. You don't waste time by sleeping 8 hours a night. You're increasing the quality of your time. Would you prefer to be at 50% during 18 hours a day or to be at 100% for 16 hours a day? I think the answer is pretty easy. Fourth step is strength training. Strength training is really great because it makes you capable in your body. And it's also really good for general health and longevity. Also, if you're in the first group and you want to lose weight, gaining muscles will make this far easier. And when you'll have lost the weight, which I'm sure you'll do, it will be way easier to maintain it, because most people don't struggle to lose the weight, they struggle to keep it off. And having muscle is the best thing you can do to maintain your weight easily. So do 3 to 4 times a week strength training. You can do anything, calisthenics, you can do from home, you can go in a fitness, anything. Just do it 3 to 4 times a week. Work with resistance, either with weights or your body weight, it doesn't matter. Just strength train 3 to 4 times a week at your level. Try to improve over time, okay? Last step is hydration and alcohol. Hydration is key when it comes to health and your general daily performance. Most people really overlook how important hydration is. Just if you are 1 or 2% dehydrated, your energy levels already dip down a lot and it's harder to think, it's harder to make decisions. Everything is harder if you're dehydrated. So aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day. And one really important thing also is in the morning, drink when you wake up. Because think about that. Let's say you sleep 8 hours. Maybe last time you drank was 1 or 2 hours before sleep. This means that for 10 hours you don't drink. And when you wake up, your body is super dehydrated. So the more you delay when you drink, the less energy you have for the start of your day. If you want to be energized quickly, drink 5 deciliters as soon as you wake up. And alcohol, it's really a poison. And if you want to change your health and turn things around before the end of the year, I advise that you just give it up completely. I don't say that often, and I often preach more moderation than completely cutting out things. But if you want to make a change before the end of the year, alcohol is really bad, and if you're able to not indulge in it completely, it will be way better for you because it wrecks your sleep like completely. Even though you think you're able to sleep because you just pass out when you come back home, the quality of your sleep is destroyed and your sleep is way less useful than if you hadn't drank. And also, I really see alcohol as the first domino that creates a sequence of bad actions. Like you wake up the next morning, you don't feel so good, maybe you eat a bad breakfast and then you're tired, so you don't go to work out, and all of this sequence go worse and worse just because you drank alcohol last night. So if you want to make real change before the end of the year, don't drink. And if your goal is to make long-term progress, at least reduce drastically your alcohol intake. Like a few drinks a week maximum, and even that is too much in my opinion. So that was the 5 steps if you want to completely transform your health before the end of the year. Step 1, change your eating habits. Meaning, if you need to lose weight, just see how much you need to eat in order to lose weight and eat that much. Doesn't matter quality of food or anything. Just losing weight will be the best thing you can do for your health. If you don't need to lose weight, focus on whole foods for 80% of your diet minimum and variety. So make sure that you don't eat the same thing every day, and that will already be a big change if you're not doing that. Second thing, walking. Aim for 10,000 steps a day. I say 10,000, but 8 to 12 is a really good range to be in. It has a ton of benefits and you really won't regret creating this habit to walk every day. Third thing you need to do is sleeping 8 hours a night. So be 8 hours in your bed. It will change your life if you're not doing it right now. Like sleep makes your life so much better. You make better decisions, you're more energized, everything will be better, and it can be a small change, but it will have incredible returns in the long term. Fourth one is strength training 3 to 4 times a week. Doesn't matter how you do it, just if you don't know how to do it, even just look at a 30-minute full body workout on YouTube. Just do some kind of strength training 3 to 4 times a week. It will lift your mood, you'll feel more capable, you'll feel better. If you want to lose weight, it's the best thing you can do to keep it off, and muscles are pretty cool. Last step, drink 2 to 3 liters every day and drink water as soon as you wake up. Plus, don't drink alcohol if you want really to change your health until the end of this year. And if you are more thinking long term, at least reduce a lot the amount of alcohol you drink, like maximum a few drinks a week, but as I said, it's already too much in my opinion. So it's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please write in the comments what you've planned for the last 2 months of this year. I'm really interested to see what are your goals and how you count on achieving them. Also, check the description for my newsletter. It's really my best work. 2 emails a week on health, advice on how to improve it, mindset, sleep, nutrition, exercise, anything. I work countless hours on it. If you like this video, you'll really enjoy it also. Subscribe to be notified for future videos. You can check another really cool video I've made here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.